Some days are good days and other days are tough days, but just keep working.
In the Fox Cities, Paul Engin's name is etched in history.
It's an honor. It really is.
Engin's career spans 6 decades, and he was inducted into the State Hall of Fame in 1998. Following a prolific head coaching career at Appleton West from 1969 through 1994, he came over to Appleton North in 95 as an assistant coach, and he's still with the Lightning today.
This is an honor and kind of unexpected, very frankly.
The school even named their football field after him, but for Appleton North, that wasn't enough. I spoke with Appleton North's principal, Nate Werner. He tells me Appleton North's Hall of Fame induction ceremony had gone idle for a few years. But now that ceremony returns during halftime of tonight's game against Hortonville. And Engin will be joined by other Lightning legends, like boys and girls soccer head coach Sarah Hagan.
I never had this on my, bingo card, so to speak.
After a sterling career at North, where she was a 3-time All-State honoree, Hagan went on to win a championship in the highest level of women's soccer in the U.S. But even after all of that, Hagan is just humbled to be a part of her school's history.
To be honest, I didn't know there was one, and to get the call up, especially being inducted alongside Coach Paul Engin, who was here when I was here, that's a great honor.